Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question number 7 from the August 2025 Algebra 1 Regents exam. Look, the very first 6 questions we could use the calculator either to directly answer the question or indirectly by eliminating some answer choices, right? Now this one, the calculator is not going to help you. You have to know what standard form means, right? And you got to know what constant means. All right, standard form just means that the highest exponent goes first. That's going to be the first term. The second highest exponent goes second, all the way down, and the constant is always the last term, and it should be on the right? So let's look at each one of these, and we're looking for the one that's in standard form and has a constant of 5. So let's go. So the first one. The highest exponent is 5, the second highest exponent is 2, and then the constant is 10. So this is not the answer. So the degree of this would be 5, the leading coefficient would be 1, and the constant is 10. That's not the answer. Now, the second one, it does have a constant of 5, but it's not in standard form. This should be first. So let me just rewrite it actually. Let me rewrite it. So it should be 6x4 plus 2x2 plus 5. The degree is 4, leading coefficient is 6, and the constant is 5. But this is not in standard form. So the answer has to be this one over here, because this is the only one that has a constant of 5. And it is in standard form. The highest exponent is 5, the second highest exponent is 2, and the constant is 5. So this is the answer. Now, look at number 3. What's wrong with number 3? Well, it's in standard form. The highest exponent is 4. The leading coefficient is 5, but the constant is 1. That's why this is not the answer. All right. So this is all you're doing. You have to know highest exponent goes first. Lowest exponent or the constant goes last. So it always starts with the highest exponent, and the constant will always be on the right. The way I like to think about it is basically, you know, when you have brothers and sisters, the oldest one goes first, the second oldest goes second, all the way down to the baby. The constant is always the baby. It will always be the last one. And the highest exponent is the oldest. The one with the highest exponent goes first. That's the way it is, for better or for worse. If you're a middle child like me, sometimes, you know, you're like, dang, I wish I were born first. Sometimes you like it. But remember, highest exponent first, constant goes last. All right, I'm going to stop and post. And by the way, I have a playlist on Delta Math that basically gives you a bunch of examples on how to put things into standard form. So if you need practice, ask me for that and I'll assign it to you so you can get some practice on that. There's no reason to miss this question, guys. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post.